What's going on, guys? I'm making this video very short and sweet because I'm not recording with my GoPro. It took a shit on me. Like, it won't hold anything above 1% battery life, and the moment I unplug it, it dies. So I haven't been able to record all my progress so far. It's not much, but I'm gonna get back into it here in a little bit. And I'm recording with my iPhone right now. Now, I would record me taking apart and doing all this, but I don't have like a cameraman to sit here and record me while I'm working. And that's just like a giant inconvenience and everything. So I figured I'd at least record just a little, little short video here telling you guys, updating you to what's going on. Obviously, as you can tell, we did not have any luck getting the bolt to come out. So we got to take this manifold off and then get the rest of the bolt out with vice grips or something once we get the manifold up and out of the way. So we're going to have to do that. Thankfully, though, I have parts sitting in my cart. I'm just waiting for another paycheck in order to order it, get it all in, because this stock stuff, that's not going back in there. No, I'm not going to waste my time putting old slow shit back in there. You guys are going to like it. It's something I've wanted to do for a while, and I figure, you know what, I'm just going to bite the bullet, do it, get it over with. So that way this thing will be, kicking ass in no time. I got a lot of stuff for this planned, actually, because the more stuff I take apart, the more I'm like, oh, well, I should just do this while I'm at it. So the list just keeps going and going and going, but that's besides the point. This thing will be back together in no time, and yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to really just inform you guys on. Also, I'm sorry about the skipping a week. I just started a new job, and my schedule's been very, very hectic, especially with this whole corona thing going on. My schedule has been very hectic, and the state that I'm in is currently has a stay-at-home order, so I'm not able to go out and do certain things. So I've been cooped up here, and what I need to do is go get a new GoPro so that I can actually, record while I'm working. And there's a lot of things I need to do, and I just started a new job, and then this corona thing happened. And so I'm trying to get everything done, and because I want this car running in no time, because I'm hoping, but I also feel like this virus is going to go downhill from here, like in a good way downhill. And before we know it, these quarantine and stay-at-home orders will be lifted, and we can actually, go to car events, car shows. Thankfully, though, I guess a positive is that this gives me time to actually build this the way I want it, build it right, build it properly, take my time on it a little bit, because the stuff that I've taken off so far, it won't be going back on. It'll all be something nicer, newer. EGR, that, I can't remember if I mentioned it in a previous video or not, but we will no longer be needing this at all. And, won't be needing that, won't be needing any of this. Might need that, I don't know yet. We won't even be needing this mass airflow sensor, because we have a lot bigger of a huge mass airflow sensor that's going to go into our cold air intake that we have ordered. I can't remember in previous videos if I've talked about plans and about what I wanted to do when it came to my air intake system and all that. I can't quite remember, but the more and more I keep thinking about it and doing this, the more it keeps getting tweaked. So only for the better, though. Only for the better. These old hoses, that hose, won't be needing those anymore. Even throwing out the idea of taking these fuel injectors off, because I took the passenger side rail out, and They look a little nasty. Let me see, can I get the camera to focus? Yeah, there we go. They're a little nasty looking. And so, and that one's even broken. So I'm thinking that these injectors will not go back in it. And if these injectors aren't going to go back in it, then that means the fuel rail ain't going to go back in it. So this car is turning very expensive very quickly, but I want this thing done right. I don't want to have to worry about it. I want to be able just to put it all back together, throw on a new tune, which I am already in the process of making a new tune or getting a tune ordered for this. But I haven't sent it out and got a request for the tune or anything like that just yet. Just because, one, this is going to take me a while, money-wise, and two, I keep changing stuff in my head every single day as to what I'm going to do to this. You know, at first it was just going to be, you know, just the air intake system. And then I'm like, well, you know, these fuel injectors are pretty nasty. I should probably change those out, you know, and put in something better. Because I'm not going to throw stock back in there and just waste my money. I'm going to fork out the extra money. And then, you know, I had an EGR delete kit. And I'm like, well, I'll do the EGR delete kit while I'm at it. And then, you know, I mean, it's one thing after another. But you guys will see that. Don't worry, you guys will see that. The first thing that I'm going to be doing, because I'm going to get this all apart, I'm going to finish this tonight. Then the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go out and buy another GoPro. Turns out that the GoPro that I have, it is a White 7. And I guess they're known to do this. After a certain amount of time, just completely just say screw you and quit working and not hold a battery charge. I guess they're known for this. And they don't have an external battery, so I can't take it out. And that I've had that thing for maybe a year and a half, 2 years now. So I can't get a warranty on it or anything. So I'm just going to go out and buy like the new Hero 8 and, you know, fork out that money. And then I'll be set. I'll be good. And that hopefully should last me long enough till I can get more professional camera equipment and whatnot. But alright, I'm sorry to talk your ear off, guys. I just wanted to let you know and just update you as to what exactly is going on with the Mustang, with the channel. Don't worry, you know, I'm going to still try to make content even though the whole, you know, Corona thing's happening, and even though I legally can't, you know, go out for anything that's not essential. But, you know, I'm going to try my best to abide by the law and try my best to still put good content out for you guys. And if I got to pay one of my friends to stand here like this and hold a camera while I work, so be it. I will do whatever I need to do to make sure that I can get a weekly video out to you guys. Oh, yeah, one last thing real quick before I go. My upload schedule is going to be a little shifted here because my work schedule is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 12-hour shifts. So I think I'm going to be uploading on Thursdays from now on. Thursdays or Fridays, I'm not quite sure yet. It'll just be somewhere in that range. I can't give a exact yet just because I simply don't know yet, because my life lately has been very hectic. But I'm going to try my best for you guys. But that is all. I hope you enjoyed. As always, be sure to leave a like, comment down below if there's anything you want to see, any questions, so on and so forth. Subscribe, share this channel with everyone. I want this thing to grow into something amazing. So far we've been, you know, the numbers keep going up. Let's keep it up, guys. Thank you so much, and have a good night.